This is most commonly in Euro Truck Simulator 2 mod or a SimCity 4 script. It acts as either a compressed package of game assets for truckers or a specific set of behavior rules for your city's simulation. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's get these mods installed. For those complex SCS formats, there's always a plan B, a specialized file handling utility that feels like magic. I'll introduce it again later after we attempt the common methods. The SCS extension is a high-volume format used primarily in vehicle simulation, Euro Truck Simulator 2 and American Truck Simulator, and urban simulation, SimCity 4. In the truck sim world, it acts as a game archive containing 3D models, textures, and physics data for custom trucks or maps. In the SimCity community, it serves as a script file that dictates building behaviors, tax rates, or traffic logic. These files are governed by archive container and scripting logic protocols. SCS Software games use a proprietary version of the zip format that lacks compression, store mode, to allow the game engine to stream high-resolution textures instantly without CPU lag. SimCity 4 SCS files follow LUA-based scripting rules requiring specific function calls and syntax that the game engine parses during city loading to modify the simulation's ruleset without altering the core game executable. The anticipated software for loading SCS is SimCity Societies, created by Tilted Mill Entertainment. Windows cannot fully extract this archive type, requiring dedicated extraction software. Windows cannot preview these elements, so specialized utilities are needed. We'll conduct a full scan of potential openers now. Right-click your SCS file and select Open with, test SimCity Societies if it appears. If it fails, select the next application. Testing eliminates application guesswork. If the SCS file hasn't opened yet, take a breath. The source is most likely one of 3 common issues. Let's review this simple breakdown of the culprits and how to quickly check them. First, deploy the mod. For truck simulator games, move the .scs file into your documents. Game name it mod folder and activate it via the in-game mod manager. For SimCity 4, place the file in the plugins folder. Unlike truck mods, these scripts are usually active the moment the game launches, if the folder structure is correct. Next, rename trick. If you need to edit a truck simulator mod, try renaming the extension to zip. Because the format is based on zip architecture, you can open it with 7-zip or WinRAR to swap out textures or edit the .sii configuration files inside, though you must ensure you save it back with the store, no compression setting. Finally, extraction issues. If a file shows as corrupted or won't open in a mod manager, it may be encrypted by the creator to protect their 3D assets. In these cases, standard extraction tools will fail. You must use the SCS extractor, official tool, or a specific depacker utility to access the internal files or simply ensure the file is named exactly as the mod creator intended to maintain internal references. When every program on your system rejects your SCS file, it's often a sign of a duplicate identity where different apps use the same 3-letter label for different things. Instead of relying on a label that might be incorrect, you can use a tool that employs smart recognition to try and find a match based on the actual data inside. Forget struggling with broken files. File Magic stands out because it can show you what's inside a corrupted SCS file right away, a feature almost no other program offers. Available at filemagic.com. Make sure you've bookmarked this video. If your issue is resolved, please comment "fixed" below. Subscribing is the best way to keep getting help.